Okay, me and Dave tightened all the fittings and all that stuff up. It's still pressure in the lines. Went ahead and see if it. Hear the pump coming on. We got water. No leaks. We had a leak at first, but I forgot to tighten the other hose. I just clamped these off for now. It's just going out in the ground, but we got water. And this pump turns itself on and off. When it gets to a certain pressure, it's like an air compressor. Shuts right off. But I'm just unhooking it for now, so. And the hot water does work. We tested it.